my Leetcode solving section. This is called contents duplicate. Okay, so this problem is the easiest one in the called contents duplicate. Basically, someone give you an array, and then you just find if the array contains any duplicate. So, for example, this is true because one is duplicate, and then this is false because every element in the list is distinct. Okay, and from this, this is definitely duplicate. Okay, so how I solve this way is very easy. I just take the set of the numbers and check the length. So basically, if they are not the same, that means there's some elements in the numbers list which are duplicates. Otherwise, if all the elements in number list are distinct, then the length of set of numbers will give you exactly the same as the length of numbers. And this is the linear time solution. This is a linear time solution, and you can easily see linear time is the best solution in this way, because if you have if the previous and minus one numbers are distinct, then you at least need to see the final elements. So you can prove in the complexity way. This is in the complexity point of view. This is the fattest result. Okay, and I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.